Credit Karma offers a checking account and debit card called Credit Karma Money Spend Account and Credit Karma Money Save Account, respectively. Here's how you can use the Credit Karma debit card effectively. Open an account. To get started, sign up for a Credit Karma Money Spend account through the Credit Karma website or mobile app. Fund your account. Once your account is open, you will need to deposit funds into your spend account to activate your debit card. You can transfer money from an external bank account, set up direct deposit, or deposit cash at participating retail locations. Activate your debit card. Once your spend account is funded, you will receive a debit card in the mail. Activate your card by following the instructions provided with it. Make purchases. Use your Credit Karma debit card to make purchases online, in-store or at ATMs wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. Manage your finances. Monitor your spending and account balance through the Credit Karma mobile app or website. Set up alerts for low balances or unusual account activity to stay informed. Earn rewards. Depending on your spend account features, you may have the opportunity to earn cashback rewards on qualifying purchases. Review your transactions. Regularly review your transaction history to track your spending and identify any unauthorized charges.